What's going on, guys? Gabe here with ReviewDork, and today is a very educational day. AMC has presented us a technical, if you know what I mean. Let's talk about what's happening with AMC today. Currently trading at 31.24. It is 1 p.m. Eastern time, but what has formed on the minute chart is a very popular and common technical. So let's go ahead and look at the chart here, and we have what's called a cup and handle. Now we have a very deep bowl here, and me personally as a trader, I really don't look for deep bowls, but hell, this is obvious. This is a fucking toilet bowl. Forget cup and handle. But let's go ahead and really zoom in, because I like to believe the real cup begins somewhere at about $30. And then we had some selling pressure, and then we had some buying pressure, which brings it back up to about $30. Then we have a little bit of retracement, which brings it back to about 29 and change, and then we have the run up. Now guys, I know you want the squeeze, we all want the squeeze, but we're looking at this from the minute chart, and we are doing this on a daily basis. Your emotions need to be appeased minute by minute, right? Because you're looking at the minute chart. Now, when in doubt, you zoom out. But for the sake of today's lesson, let's look at this. So the cup and handle formed, and we're currently trading at 31.34. Now, we were as low as 28.91. Guys, in the stock market, these moves are massive. We're talking about moves in excess of $1.40. You ask the guys over at Apple or over at Amazon or any other play, and they will tell you, wow, that's a pretty big move. Now, I know we're all spoiled by the gamma squeeze, and that's where a lot of us entered when AMC ran up from 12 to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then we had some retracement. Let's be patient with this, because the shorts haven't covered, and we do have some FTDs that need to be covered. But let's go ahead and look at Ortex here. Current short interest, 15.45%. We also have shares shorted 79 million. But I want you guys to pay attention to utilization, 91.8 million shares utilized. This is a change of 4.12% over 7 days. This means that the shorts are loading up on firepower. Why are they loading up on firepower? Guys, we have earnings coming up, and usually with most stocks, they like to run during earnings. So what you have is premature and artificial suppression of the price. Keep that in mind. So a cup and handle price pattern on a securities price chart is a technical indicator that resembles a cup and handle, where a cup is in the shape of a U and the handle has a slight downward drift. Now, a cup and handle is considered a bullish signal, with the right-hand side of the pattern typically experiencing lower trading volume. Hence, we have the dip. But I want you guys to keep a couple of things in mind. The length. Generally, cups with a longer and more U-shaped bottom provides a stronger signal than, let's say, a sharp V. So let's go ahead and talk about the depth, because ideally the cup should not be overly deep, and you are cautioned to avoid handles that are overly deep as well. Now, the handle should form the top half of the cup pattern, so it should form in the top half. If you see that the handle dips way below the cup, that's probably a no-go. That's something you do not want. In addition to those two, we want to consider volume. Now, volume should decrease as the prices decline. So you guys see there that the volume did decrease and remain lower than average in the base of the bowl. So the base of the bowl was at or about right here. So we have volume that's lower. And then we should see upward price movement as volume increases. This is a very simple technical, and you normally want to see this on an hourly or a daily. And if we look at the hourly, we see that it is in fact forming around here. I hope today's lesson made sense, because now you're able to look for this technical, not just in AMC, but in other plays as well. Ideally, I would take this play on a daily. I'm looking for long setups, long plays. If I see this on a daily, I'm going to take that bet. Why? Because you have a 68% probability that the equity is going to shoot upwards. And you can go ahead and fact check me on that. Currently, AMC stock, we see it is consolidating into lower thirds of the $31 channel. And this is good. Guys, this is a show of strength. I know yesterday just kicked all of our asses, and some more than others because I had no internet and now I don't have any computers. But make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on notifications. We're going to have a lot more videos like this that's going to empower you apes and make you feel more comfortable on a day-to-day, venturing off, placing your own trades and your own bets, but more importantly, keeping your mentals in place with AMC stock. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.